I think the only proper restoration here will be through the education of future generations, which is why I've taken it so seriously with my own children. Um, for myself, I'm a child of modernity. I grew up in the materialistic, decadent West, uh, in the 80s and 90s, and my parents were just completely unremarkable. They weren't political. They were just normal parents, and so I just got on with my life as I chose, and as the culture kind of indicated and dictated was appropriate. And so I have found myself not. I found myself as an atheist only because of a lack of interaction with religion, really. And I don't even feel a longing in my heart for religion. I I just don't. I don't need religion to make sense of myself or the world. And I think it's because I was raised without it. 'Cause my parents were baby boomers, and they've. I had this conversation with my mum and dad, and it's the only time where I mean, my mum and dad are very conservative people, but not in a sort of prejudicial, sort of unthinking way, but just in what they believe is right and wrong. But they were still baby boomers, and so they are atheists, but they had the experience of going to church when they were young because their parents, of course, were not atheists and made them go to church. And so one thing this really struck home with me. My wife is a Christian. I don't know if she's always been a Christian, but she's definitely finding herself drawn much more towards it. And so, for example, I have to go to church on Sundays, which is nice. Honestly, I like doing it, even if like I don't necessarily believe or endorse the metaphysics or the stories. I don't as an atheist, I don't necessarily believe the literal truth of the stories. There's no denying the moral truth of the stories, and there's no denying the historical impact that this had on my country and yours as well. So, but the real breakage of the culture of being Christian, really hit home to me when my wife insisted on getting my children baptized, which was fine with, obviously. And I was at the baptism of my oldest, and I noticed that my dad was having a really good time in the church. My dad was singing these hymns with his full chest, and I didn't even know the words. I'd never heard this hymn before because I had never been forced to go to church. And I realized that this was actually a deeply nostalgic thing for my dad. Right? He had been forced to go to church as a kid. My mum was singing away as well, and she's even less into religion than he is. But like I said, they're both atheists, and my dad was just having a great time singing these songs, and my mum was as well. And I was suddenly a bit jealous. I didn't have nostalgic feelings for being in church because they didn't make me go to church when I was a kid. So I don't know these songs. I felt like an alien. I felt like an outsider. Um, and it occurred to me that even though they didn't believe, they had accidentally deprived me of something that they didn't. They didn't think they were being negligent or malevolent or anything like that. I have wonderful parents, absolutely wonderful parents. And I think this is something just the boomer generation tended towards, which was abandoning the imperatives of religion as a community building function, which is what my dad was enjoying so much at the christening of my children. And this is why when my wife, it was about, I don't know, 6 months, a year ago, something like that, she was like, do we need to start going to church? And I was like, probably. Because I think my children are still young enough that forcing them to go to church now when they're older, even if they're not religious, and I think my oldest son is religious, and I think it's because he's in a world of religions. He's got Hindus and Muslims and whoever else around him at school, and he doesn't know where he fits into that schema. And a while ago, I had a conversation with him. And he said, "Dad, am I a Christian?" I said, "Yes." But I am in a way disappointed that I don't have the nostalgia for it. I don't think I can get it.